Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best dog bath and grooming tubs that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Furry. The Furry Elevated Dog Bathtub is the best choice for small to medium-sized pets from dogs, cats, and others. The IT was wide enough for your dog to sit, stand, and take a bath. Look at the dimension. The tub is providing plenty of space for your pet to be comfortable. The 3-point leash restraint with an adjustable collar in the tub keeps them safe and convenient. It is best used for pets up to 40 pounds. The foldable and portable design of the bathtub lets you use it indoors and outdoors. It is foldable and collapsible, so great for travel. The tub base is designed with collapsible feet to fit in standard bathtubs of houses. The latest tub model has a foldable stand bar on the tub feet. So, you can clean your pets in your bathroom without making a mess around. It also helps to conserve water. The bathtub has a stretchable drain hose attached to it, so you can drain the water into your shower or bathtub or in the bucket to throw away. The 35 inches tall tub design of the tub prevents backache. The elevated tub can be adjusted based on your preference. To provide a more convenient bath, the tub comes with a 2-side packet to keep the towel, shampoo, soap, or other bathing essentials. The bathtub is durable and solid, still it is easy to fold and unfold with one hand, thanks to its patented folding mechanism. To fold the tub after use, just wipe the tub dry and pull the handle in the middle. When folded, the tub is just 6 inches wide and the tub legs are also removable. Together it saves space and is easy to store. You'll just love the lightweight construction. They used marine-grade PVC for the basin to make it rugged, paw and claw resistant, and easy to wipe off the dust and water. The tub frame is made from stainless aluminum tubes that just weigh 11 pounds but supports 130 pounds of weight. At number 4. Flying Pig. Flying Pig might be the one constant pet washing tub and grooming table that you can find in all the recommended online sources for small to medium-sized pets, mostly dogs and cats. It is best used for small-sized pets weighing from 10 to 36 pounds and for medium-sized pets weighing from 35 to 65 pounds. The bathtub is portable and lightweight, so you can use it in indoor and outdoor places. But the tub is not made to be foldable and collapsible, so taking it to travel with pets might be inconvenient. That's why this hero is placed second on our list. Aside from the unfoldable design, you can't find anything negative about the bathtub. The maximum weight handling capacity of this bathtub is around 150 pounds, including water. Flying Pig Pet Bathing Tub is taller than Furry at 37.5 inches. The exact dimension of the tub is 37.5 L x 19.5 W x 35.5 H. The tub has a back-saving design with elevation to prevent back pain and strain. The tub basin is made from heavy-duty plastic material to withstand for a long time handling kicks and fun play of your pal. The solid and durable stainless steel legs of the tub provide sturdiness even if your pet plays hard inside the tub. The stainless steel prevents corrosion and extends the lifetime of the tub. You can access the tub 360 degrees at all angles easily and hassle-free, thanks to the multi-angle washing feature. The adjustable leveler in the bottom of the tub lens provides comfort and convenience on uneven floor surfaces. As the bathtub is not foldable, it eliminates a few mechanisms that make it a lightweight bathing table to carry in and out of the house. The base fits all standard bathtubs in the house. You have to check the size of your bathtub before using it in them. The 6 large hole drainage system comes with a cap on one side of the tub. It drains water immediately after you uncap it. At number 3. Niles. Looking for a portable pool to have fun in the backyard with pets and kids? Niles gives you an option. Niles Portable Pet Dog Pool is foldable, collapsible, and portable swimming or bathing pool to use indoor and outdoor. The pool is 47 inches wide and 12 inches deep. It is available in 3 different sizes. It is suitable for bathing pets and having fun with kids in the garden. Your pet can have a comfortable bath and an exciting time with their pal. The pool is easy to pop up, even your toddler can flatten and inflate it easily. It saves space and time. You can take it as a bag with you to the beach or other areas to have exciting playtime. In summer, it gives your family a cool and fun time. It is used for bathing, swimming at indoor and outdoor sports as the design is made easy to carry and fold. The foldable panels of the pool are made from waterproof nylon that prevents leakage. Nylon is the coolest material, so it gives a spa effect to your pets and kids. The easy twist-off cap drains and you can quickly fill it with water. The drain at the bottom side is easy to empty the water and refill it. The pool has a bright blue water wave design to provide a real pool experience. The outdoor pool for pets meets EN 71 and ASTM standards for eco-friendly design. With a package you get the PVC transparent storage bag and this inflatable swimming pool. As a safety measure, it is advisable to put the swimming pool for bathing at flat surfaces so the bottom will be stretched fully. The sharp items on the ground and your dog's nail may cause tears, so look for it. Always have the water up to 60 to 80% for comfort. At number 2. Alventor. Have pets and kids at home? Need a water play item for both under budget? Alventor Pet Kitty Swimming Pool comes to rescue. The Alventor inflatable swimming pool is best used for bathing pets in the yard and having fun. There are different applications of this pool. It is very light at 7 pounds, which is lower than other pet swimming pools at the market. It is just 3 inches when folded, which is 2 times smaller and compact than the rest of swimming pools of this budget. It is easy to carry along and store in compact places. The pool is so wide that it can fit a big dog or cat. If you have toddlers in your home, you can use this one pool for them to swim and take baths. Or you can let your toddler have a great time with her pet pal in the pool, as there is enough space for them to play around. The pool has an innovative design which is made from 300 density rip stop Oxford fabric with PVC backing with durable multi-layer construction. Together, it prevents leaks and tears. The durable upgraded spring steel frame ensures stability. The pool has no drain, just pushes on the edge of the pool, thus it inflates with the ground and drains water quickly. So, it is better preferred go outdoors. It is intended for pet bathing, but it can also be used as a water pond, sandbox, fish pond, and bathtub or mini swimming pools for babies. Create a mini beach sandside with this wide pool, filling sand and placing beach toys for kids. It automatically pops up. It becomes more mighty and smaller after folded, which you can tie using an elastic band. In this way, it is taken to anywhere your puppy or kids wants to have fun or a spa experience. At number 1. Luck. After seeing different bathtubs and inflatable swimming pools, now let's see a grounded bathtub without stands. It looks like a basket that can be folded to the floor. It is also a multifunctional collapsible bathtub that can be used for bathing small dogs and cats, babies, to keep laundry, outdoor basket to keep things, storage space at home, and more. It is up to you how you utilize this tub or a bathtub. As we reviewed it for the best pet bathtub, let's see how it works for bathing. The size of the tub is enough for small dogs and cats. It can bear up to 33 pounds weight. The bathtub collapses quickly and takes little space for compact or easy storage. It is highly compact and you can keep it in your car trunk for outdoor activities like fishing, camping, and more. It is a compact storage basket for those who travel with pets or those who want a portable storage to keep things in the campsite, or RV owners or who have kids. It has a bottom drainage hole that drains water fast. After draining the water, fold it and store under the table. The bathtub is made from PP and TPR materials to work through outdoor conditions. Find a pet bathtub which is foldable, multifunctional, comfortable, convenient, portable. Everything under budget is rare. But you are lucky to have found one already. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.